Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss what lead and lake function in Oracle database. So at here I'm using Toad for Oracle and currently working on escort schema. So about the lead function, the lead function gives the next column values based on ordering. So let's understand by example. So at here, first I'm going to show you my table. So at here select star from or DPT table. Now let's check the result, sorry, check the output. So this the output inside and this the record column inside dbt table. Now here after I'm going to make a dbt number in order wise. So at here let's use order by dbt number. Now execute that. So at here dbt number is now order by. Now here after let's use lead function on column. So at here select. So first I'm going to select GPT number. Now here after D name, here after loc column going to use or DPT number D name loc. Now here after let's use lead function and we are going to apply lead on loc column and here let's use over clause. So add here over and order by DPT number. So going to give order by on DPT number. Now here after let's give the table name. So add here DPT is my table name. So add here or select the DPT number tname lock. So I selected three columns. Now here after I applied lead on lock column. So I applied lead on lock column. Here after over order by DPT number. So order by means 10 come first, 20, 30, 50 and in last 51. So add here I applied or lead function in lock column. So add here about the lead, so it gives next column values. So add here, so the next column values. So add here I applied lock here. So next column of on New York. So add here the value is start from the new column will create and the value add here start from Dallas. So let's execute and check. So why I'm getting the error? So keyword font not found expected. Select your DPT number and here keep the comma. Okay. Now execute that. So see at here one new column is created. The name is this all lead lock over and here since I've given lead lock. So by default if you don't give any value at here, so it starts from 1. So add here the value start from 1. So now it's displaying here output Dallas, Chicago, Boston and Cardiff. So if you execute this one, so add here the same output here that is displaying. So that start from 1 now here. So from 1, so here after now Dallas, Chicago, Boston is now Cardiff, it's a display. So it gives the next column value. So next column value is here Dallas. So this is the thing. Now in place of this one, you can give any meaningful alias name. So let's give at here as city and execute that. So see at here, this is or displaying or city at here. Now here after in place of 1, you can give 2. So at here, the next column value start from 2. Now execute that. So see at here. 1, 2, now start from 2. So at here Chicago, Boston and Cardiff it's displaying. Now the next thing is, so this the here starting position and here this the column. Now here after if you, so this the null here. So in place of null you can give any values like if you want then here you can give at here 1. So it's a 1 displaying and if you give any any string, so let's give a city name Manchester. So execute that. So in place of 1-1. Now this time that will display Manchester, Manchester. So these are the things about the late function. Here Manchester, Manchester is displaying. So if you give at your value is 3. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. After 3, the value is Boston and Cardiff. That will display. So first that display Boston, Cardiff. Hereafter Manchester, Manchester, Manchester. So see at here Manchester. Here Boston, Cardiff displaying, and here Manchester, Manchester, Manchester. So here, so this is the thing about late functions. It gives the next column values based on the order. Now here after the next is on lake column. So lake function. The lake function gives the previous column values based on the ordering. So it gives the previous column values. Now let's understand by example. So at here, going to use the same table. The name is at here uh, DPT table. Now let's push down. So lake function gives previous column values. So add here dname. Now here after let's remove this one. So by default the value is 1. So if you don't give anything, it also the value consider 1. So here lake function. Now let's execute that. So see add here. So it gives the previous column values. So the New York previous value. So they are nothing. That means that are or null values. So that the New York previous value is the null. So right here it's displaying null. Now here after New York, Dallas, Chicago. Now if you give add here the form, same output that will display. So same output display. Now hereafter if you give the values here. So first the 2 position that is for null. After that the values start. So see at here first 2 position it's a star. Now hereafter that is the New York, Dallas and Chicago. So if you don't want here null, so you can give any string or numeric value. So if you give at here 0, so this is the numeric value. So at here see in case of null it's displaying 0. Now let's give at here city name. So city name going to give at here Cardiff. Okay. So this 2 position that will store null. That will store Cardiff. So see at here it's displaying Cardiff. Now here after if you give add here, so if you give add here 3, so see add here first 3% that is to Cardiff. Now hereafter New York and Dallas it's displaying. So these two things about lead and lake function here. So this kind of if you want this kind of output, so you can apply in any table here. You can apply. I selected this table because it has only a few numbers of columns and very less records, so that it's very easy to understand what the uses of leg and lead function in Oracle database. So one time going to repeat. So lead function that give the next column values based on the ordering, and here leg function so it gives previous column value based on the ordering. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.